Hi, you should subscribe to user. Also like the video and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
Guess who's back? In today's video we're going to be making a design which I haven't made a single design in a year or even more. But now we're back. We're gonna try to make a design. Let's see if I'm still good or if I'm washed. But if I'm washed, then GG's. But I'm gonna be trying to make a design in today's video after a year. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just want to say that I am back. I'm going to be making more videos, more content. There's gonna be more packs. There's gonna be more like everything. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Enjoy. Just to be clear, all the packs that I'm using in this video will be on my PayHip, which there's a link in the description to check it out. And I will be leaving a discount code somewhere in this video for 10% off your order. And don't forget to join the Discord as well, and enjoy the video. If you're wondering why the quality of the camera is not as good, is because I sold my camera. So do I like regret that? Kind of, but you know, I do regret that. All right, let's open up Photoshop real quick. Alright, now this is gonna take some time. Alright, resolution. Wait, which resolution was I don't even remember, bro. I think it was 1500, 1500. No, that's not. Wait, what resolution was it? Wait, hold on. Bro, I'm so washed, bro. Alright, we got it. It was 3000 by 1000, but alright, so what do we start? I actually forgot everything, guys. I'm washed. Like, I don't know how to make banners anymore. But we'll try our best. We'll see what I can do, and we'll hopefully like the muscle memory kicks in. And yeah, let's just start. So let's start with the first thing. So my plan was to already put some of the text I already have, like some of the 3D renders I already have in, but I forgot I actually reset my PC, so I've lost all my files. So I gotta make a new text, but I guess it's good. You guys are joining me with this journey. So alright, let's continue. Alright, let's go into font and find some good fonts we can use for this header. God damn, bro. Where did it? Yeah, I'm trying to make some gothic stuff, right? Alright, low-key, I'm gonna go for this one. Nightmare looks pretty decent. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright, so this is gonna be the text. I'm just gonna render this and we're good. Alright, so we've now edited the text. So we're just gonna make it a bit bigger. What's the text size gonna be? Like this. I think this should be good. No, that's a bit too big. There you go, that should be good. Yeah, let's work with this. Alright, so this is so far what I've done. Yeah, we've added this little star right here. We've added a little like Mario, because this whole banner header is gonna be like a Mario theme. So and if you want to know how to make text like this, I've already made a video tutorial on this, so just make sure to check that out. Alright, there you go. I just messed around with camera filter settings, so it looks a bit more brighter. So this is before, this is after. It looks way better. So now we're gonna add some glow on it. Alright, there we go. Now the text is done right here. So now we're gonna start working on the background. Alright, I've added 3 pictures now. These 3, we're gonna work with the background now. I want to do something with this. I don't want to actually have it in the background though. Alright, I think this is going to be the background right here. I think that should be good. Alright, now we're just going to download a few of these. Let's pick a few of these. Alright, so right now we're gonna put the renders about right here somewhere. So we're gonna try to work with this right here. Since you've made it this far into the video, the code is UZO2024 for the 10%. Alright, so for this render right here, I actually want to mess around with the eyes and maybe give him like a red crazy eye or something. Just make him look evil or scary or something. Alright, we made a little change to the text actually. I gave him a red eye. I'm still working on it, but I actually changed the text a little bit. Made it a bit like chromey-ish. I don't even know how to call this. But yeah, we're gonna see how this works. So yeah, let's just continue. So this is what we have now. The render looks a bit better. It looks darker. It looks more scary, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's work on the other renders now. So actually the time is actually pretty late. It's actually 1 hour behind, so it's actually 1 AM right now. So I'm actually gonna continue this tomorrow. So let's go ahead and sleep, I guess. another day. So this is what we've got. I'm actually gonna go open my Shinobi GFX pack. That's the best pack for these type of headers, so let's open it. There we go. Now we've got it. Alright, we've made a bit of progress now. Yeah, so we're chilling right now. We've added some lightning, some lights, and we just gotta do the other stuff now. Alright, so far we've added a bit of effects like right here in the background, and we've added this little whatever this thing is. We've added these little things, and yeah, so we're still continuing. I don't know if this is going to turn out good. I hopefully will, but yeah, let's just keep going. I'm still using the Shinobi GFX pack. If you want to buy this, it's in the description. It's in my pay hip, so just make sure to buy it if you want to. It's really like there's a lot of necessary stuff here to make stuff like this or even better stuff, so yeah.
Essa novinha que tá na Holanda gosta de fazer orgia. Fica sentando em cima da piroca 24 horas por dia. Ela quer entrada por cima da piroca.
So I've now added that little bit things in behind here. Now it looks a little bit better. So now we're gonna work on something here. It's too open here, it's too open here as well, and maybe something here. So let's just continue. I don't know how I'm doing, to be honest. So now we have something like this. We've added more, like, I don't know what to call this, like more like one of these things. So it just looks a bit like more, I don't know, realistic. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, now we've also added a bit of like glowish behind them. It's really hard to tell, but yeah. Like a little bit more here. This is still too empty. I still gotta add a bit more here, but we're gonna work on this first. We're maybe gonna add something here, I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna work with this. But yeah, let's just keep going. Going to be using a little bit of the heavenly pack as well. Bro, I hope my Photoshop doesn't crash right now because I'm using a lot of VRAM. I can't wait to add all the CCs and just look how this looks. I mean, check out how this looks. All right, do we add the CCs now? I feel like I'm missing something. I need one more thing. All right, I'm gonna add the last thing now, and we're gonna do the CCs after this, and we should be done with the header. It's time for the CCs. There we go. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once I'm done with the CCs. This is how it looks after the CCs. Now we're gonna do a little bit of camera raw filter settings and all that. So we're almost at the end. This is the project after the CCs, but now we're just gonna add a little bit of what is it called? It's blur. It's like field blur. Let's go. Oh, let's try again. Ah, come on, man. What? Oh yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Smash like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and peace out, guys.